Well, hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, it's Arnab's show, but I'm filling in for him tonight. He's going to be back with a bang for sure. The topics for today. Centre has declared that June 25, viewers, June 25, 1975 was a day when our constitution was attacked. And the government of the day, that is Prime Minister Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah, are calling it as a Samvidhan Hatya Divas. That's the topic of the debate number one. And debate number two, viewers, is on your screens, is nationwide UCC, that is Uniform Civil Code, next with a big question mark. That's debate number two tonight, viewers. But let's begin with the headlines first. The Samvidhan face-off is only escalating by the day. Upping the ante, Centre has declared that June 25th will be observed as Samvidhan Hatya Divas. The Samvidhan Khatre Mein Hai Brigade is left with a no comeback now, viewers. Big loss of face for Maha Vikas Aghadi in Maharashtra. Top sources are telling Republic that at least 7 Congress MLAs have cross-voted for Mahayuti. The hectic resort politics have clearly failed. Cracks within the Congress ranks have now taken down its allies too, viewers. SpiceJet employee arrested and sent to judicial custody, viewers. She is facing action for slapping an on-duty security personnel, a CISF personnel at Jaipur airport. Claim and counterclaims fly thick and fast as the Slapgate controversy gets bigger. And viewers, another city, another innocent is mowed down brutally. A 46-year-old was hit, dragged for nearly 2 kilometers and killed brutally in Rajkot. The accused is absconding. For how long will killers behind wheels get the long rope? Well, viewers, the minute Home Minister Amit Shah came out on the social media and said that June 25th, 1975, the day late Prime Minister implemented the emergency or declared emergency, is going to be called, and as the Gazette came out, as the Samvidhan Hatya Divas, and then the Prime Minister announced it, the opposition, the same opposition which has been going on, if I could say so, even prior to the 24 elections, that this present government, the present Modi-Shah government, is against the constitution, or they want to change the constitution, or they want to completely, I say, and I'm stressing on it, change the constitution according to them, are quiet. The only thing they can say is Samvidhan Hatya Divas. The government could have given it a better name. Yes, that is what the leaders of the opposition are saying, viewers. The Safe Democracy Brigade, where are they? The people who are going on and on to say that they are here to save the constitution, and they are against the present Modi government, because the present government wants to break down the constitution and then do it according to themselves. Today are quiet on emergency. And I have on record, and I'm telling you this, on record, on camera, at least 6 different leaders of the opposition, not only of the Congress, but of the Samajwadi Party, of the Aam Aadmi Party, and so on and so forth, saying to the point that emergency was the need of the hour. Yes, you heard me correct. These opposition leaders have the audacity, viewers, have the audacity to stress and say that emergency was the need of the hour. The people who have lived to see what emergency was, exactly know when these opposition leaders come out with this rant today and say that today also there is an undeclared emergency. They counter Narendra Modi at every point and corner, inside the parliament and outside, where you have a leader who for the first time in his political history has got a position, a constitutional position. Yes, I'm talking about Mr. Rahul Gandhi. He's urging people to not let the Prime Minister speak on the floor of the House. You see, these are the people. This is the party which imposed emergency. And these are the leaders who have been going on and on and on during these 24 elections that we are taking on Modi and Shah because they are anti-democratic. They are against the constitution. So today, when the Prime Minister and the Home Minister announced it, why are they not backing it and say, for once and for all, that implementing, declaring emergency was wrong by the Congress party? Will they say that tonight? Let's listen to this special report and then we debate.
June 25th, 1975, one of the darkest days in the history of Indian democracy. A day which is etched in the minds of everyone who has lived through it. It has been 50 years since the emergency was imposed in India. And the central government has made a big move to ensure that this dark period in Indian history will not be forgotten. The Home Ministry has announced that June 25th will be observed as Samvidhan Hatya Divas.
हमें गर्व है भारत के संविधान पर। उसी संविधान को 25 जून को कुचलने का काम किया गया था 1975 में। और किस लिए? क्योंकि उस समय की प्रधानमंत्री इंदिरा गांधी जी की कुर्सी खतरे में थी। इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट ने उनके रायबरेली के चुनाव को सेट असाइड कर दिया गया था। सुप्रीम कोर्ट से स्टे नहीं मिला था। भ्रष्टाचार, बेरोजगारी इत्यादि के खिलाफ देश में बहुत लोग गुस्से में थे। उन सबों की आवाज दबाने के लिए इमरजेंसी लगाई गई।
The centre has stated that this is being done to remind the public of the contribution of the people and the pain they suffered during the emergency. Earlier, during the inaugural session of the 18th Lok Sabha, Prime Minister Modi himself spoke about the dark era in Indian history.
Emergency के खातिर तानाशाही मानसिकता के कारण देश पर थोपा गया तानाशाही शासन था।
This is the NDA-led centre's reply to the opposition. Does the Congress think that the crime committed during the emergency era be washed away?
Well, so emergency versus what the opposition is calling a Ghoshit emergency. I have from the BJP, the national spokesperson, Mr. Guru Prakash Paswan. Thank you for joining in, Mr. Paswan. Subhrashtra, as a political analyst, joining in. I have Congress leader Ratnakar Tripathi joining in the next few seconds. Renu Mittal, senior journalist, Abbas Haider, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. And Ravi Srivastava, political analyst. Abbas Haider, I hope you remember that your late leader, Swargya Netaji, went behind bars. And today, you, the next generation of the Samajwadi Party, is backing the Congress, even on the point of emergency. Abbas Haider, I hope you are able to connect the dots.
Aishwarya, first
Yes,
of all,
Abbas.
nobody in this country, nobody from the Samajwadi Party has ever defended the unfortunate decision called the emergency, which was imposed in 26 June.
Then why don't you-
June 1975. But I totally believe that that was the darkest phase of free India. But at the same time, that emergency was imposed for 21 months. but we are undergoing 120 months of emergency by now. You know, the Bharatiya Janata Party has imposed an undeclared emergency. And do you know that, you know, if they want to celebrate Samvidhan Hatya Divas on the 25th June, they should also, you know, acknowledge 26th May as Samvidhan Hatya, you know, Samvidhan Hatya Kal. Because this Kal...
What? Repeat. No, repeat.
This is
Repeat.
Hatya era.
No, repeat. What are you saying?
Samvidhan Hatya Kal.
Guru and Abbas, one versus one. Yeah. What are you saying?
From past 10 years, they are trying to distort the constitution. They have tried to change the constitution. But
Give me facts. No rhetoric. Give me facts, Abbas. Abbas, give me facts. Ask Guru. Ask the BJP national spokesperson on air. Ask him. But give him facts. No rhetoric. Give him one example of this.
Who is Arun Govil? Can you answer who is Arun Govil? Who is Jyoti Mirga? Who is Anant Hegde? Who is Lallu Singh? Who is Jairam Thakur, who has said that we should get away with the caste-based reservation? These are the people who have changed, who have said that they want to change the constitution.
Mr. Paswan, are you listening to it?
400 seats in Lok Sabha. That is why they want 400 seats in Lok Sabha. What action has the Bharatiya Janata Party taken against any of these leaders? That is the first and foremost question. Now, the second question, it is not about amending the constitution. They have used the word changing. They have used the word हम संविधान बदलना चाहते हैं, संविधान को हटाना चाहते हैं. इस प्रकार के शब्दों का इस्तेमाल हुआ. These were the words which were used by these leaders. So they never wanted to amend the constitution.
BJP is responding back. BJP is responding back to us. BJP. Okay, Abbas, okay. But I have not heard one word either from you or from your leader of the day, Akhilesh Yadav, against the Congress on the point of emergency. You say, no, that was wrong. No, but you have not. No, that's okay. You are finding an easy way out. Guru Prakash Paswan. Thank you very much, Abbas. Abbas, I gave you your time. Abbas. Now, thank you.
Just 5 seconds.
Okay. Go on.
See, that was the worst decision the Congress party have made, and the Congress leaders...
5 are over. Thank you very much. Guru Prakash Paswan.
They have regretted that they have...
5 are done. You asked 5, I gave you 5. Thank you very much. Guru Prakash Paswan.
Aishwarya.
Relax, Abbas. Yeah.
Aishwarya, I think we are having a discussion on emergency. We are having a discussion on respect to constitutional ethos and values, and we will see an extension of constitutional ethos and values in the behavior of each and every single panelist present over here by not shouting over each other. It's very important for us to remember, and there is a reason that we remember Holocaust. What happened in 1975 was a Holocaust on the constitutional values and ethos of our country. And today, Samajwadi Party leadership talking about reservation, I'm completely surprised. I want to ask my friend from the Samajwadi Party, Mr. Azam Khan. He pointed a finger towards Baba Saheb Ambedkar and he said it on record. ये आदमी इस देश का सबसे बड़ा भूमाफिया है. Excuse me, Samajwadi Party talking about Constitution of India, Samajwadi Party talking about reservations, Samajwadi Party. It was Samajwadi Party who, for the first time, when a Dalit woman became the chief minister of the largest state of our country, they insulted that Dalit woman. And today, Samajwadi Party has the audacity to speak on reservation. This is beyond my comprehension. Every single person who is with humanity, every single person who is with the constitutional ethos will definitely remember the Samvidhan Hatya Divas. More than 7 million.
So let's get in. The representative
Nasbandi was carried out.
No, that's right. But they will not talk about it. And you correctly mentioned out Guru Prakash Paswan about Azam Khan. But he's not the only leader. There are at least half a dozen other leaders as well of the Congress, of the SP and of the other parties. But today I have Ratnakar Tripathi. Welcome, Ratnakar ji.
Thank you.
Ratnakar ji, oh, you are thanking me. For a change, at least it's good. But I am saying, what's your problem? If the Home Minister and the Prime Minister, Ratnakar ji, Renu ji, I can see that smirk. I'm coming to you, ma'am. Hold on. That 25 June 1975 को संविधान हत्या दिवस मनाया. आपको लगता है उस दिन कोई बहुत अच्छा काम हुआ था, रत्नाकर जी?
नहीं,
इमरजेंसी लगा के.
मैं तो सिर्फ
Was there something very good that was done by the late Prime Minister Indira Gandhi? Yes, Mr.
The public has thrown them.
Sorry?
मतलब मैं उस गड्ढे से वो लोग निकलने के कितने आतुर हैं जहां पब्लिक ने उनको भेज दिया है. And it is a pity they are short by 1 day. If they complete their whole term, which I don't believe, they would be having 5, celebration for 25th June. So let them go with it. I'm very happy because after the emergency in the election of 1980, Congress bagged 353 seats and Janata Party bagged 41 seats. And
So are you calling emergency correct?
And even during
No, so are you
after the
saying that
emergency
implementing
election,
and declaring emergency was correct? And that's why I was saying, Guru, there are still leaders who are calling it correct and need of the hour. Because I have them on record and on camera. Ratnakar Tripathi, tell me, are you saying today that implementing emergency was the right decision? Is the Congress party officially saying that tonight? Ratnakar Tripathi, make that clear.
You have just imposed emergency
No, I am asking-
on your channel now.
Why?
You are not letting me speak.
Oh, you please, you carry on.
So please, be quiet for some time. A few minutes only.
Seconds.
Congress party, Rahul Gandhi has categorically said that it was a mistake on 3rd March 2021. And even if after that, Mr. Modi and Mr. Shah, who are very desperate for the comeback, and they are badly hit by the Samvidhan thing, because they wanted to change the Samvidhan.
Comeback of what? I thought they are still in power.
Again, you are interrupting, sir.
No, I am saying comeback of what? They are in power, aren't they?
Come back. They are going in the
आपका
pothole,
विश्लेषण
sir.
गलत इस्तेमाल होगा.
Please don't interrupt, Aishwarya ji.
Okay, carry on.
Please. They are short up by 63 seats. They are going in pothole. And now let me tell you, Lallu Singh, Jyoti Mirtha, and Anant Hegde of Maharashtra categorically and unequivocally said that we are going to change the constitution. That is why we need 400 seats.
But the Prime Minister officially came out and said no. And Prime Minister supersedes everyone else, at least on that side, at least on the treasury benches. Understand this, Ratnakar Tripathi. Subhrashtra, I'm coming to you, just 10 more seconds to him. Yeah, Ratnakar ji, please explain. You named these people, okay, they said so. But the Prime Minister came out and clarified and said no, nothing doing.
Let the Prime Minister that send the message to the RSS when Madhav Golkar, Dattopant Hegde and others wrote to Indira Gandhi, we are ready to contribute in the emergency. We are ready to work with you. Why don't he condemn him? The RSS structure, the RSS organization. And let the
Subhrashtra.
people of the country decide
Coming, Guruji,
whether
Guruji, coming,
the
hold on.
emergency was right or not.
Hold on, Mr. Paswan, coming to you. Okay. Subhrashtra.
Aishwarya,
Yeah.
I was looking at the constitution, unlike the opposition who just takes it up as a prop to create a narrative. Please tell me when they say there is an undeclared emergency in the country, I want to understand what are the 2-3 conditions that they feel that there is a national emergency in picture. Because when Indira Gandhi imposed emergency, she was very clear that there was an external and internal threat to her government, right?
Yeah.
What kind of a threat the BJP feels from the opposition, I'm not really clear. Because as I see, the opposition is completely bereft of any intellectual conversation also these days. What do they mean by an emergency? There are people in the current government who's, Rajnath ji has gone on record to say that, so I don't think there should be a problem in recounting it. His mother expired and he was not even allowed to do an Antyeshti. He was not even allowed to meet his mother. That's the kind of emergency we are talking about. Please tell me that 10 instances that the opposition can quote, which will justify that a similar treatment has been meted out to any of the opposition members by this government. I'm not saying that this government is flawless, but if you build a narrative around emergency, then people will retort from those who are in power as well. It's the opposition who brought the emergency question into picture. It's the opposition which brought the constitution into picture. Then the government is responding by saying that we will celebrate a constitution Hatya Divas. What is the problem then?
Renu Mittal,
What is the
answer that.
problem? I don't
No,
understand.
Ratnakar, hold that.
Anant Hegde, Jyoti Mirtha and Lallu Singh are opposition.
Sir, आप क्या बोल रहे हैं?
Because they are the one who said we are going to amend the constitution.
When you don't have a valid answer, rhetoric is the way. Subhrashtra, when you don't have a factual answer, rhetoric is the way.
Hello. Yeah.
Yes, Ms. Mittal. Yes,
You are
Renuji.
always a part of the position.
The point,
Hold on, Mr.
the
Tripathi,
point
let
is-
Renu Mittal
the
speak for
point
a
is
change,
that
Hold on.
Be neutral.
Mr. Tripathi, hold on.
the point
Yes,
is
Ravi ji, coming to you after. Yeah. Yes, Ms. Mittal, carry on.
the point is that 50 years down, the point is that the BJP and the Prime Minister Modi, appear to be deeply rattled by what is going on in this country. You see, the constitution issue which has been taken up lost them a lot of seats, particularly the Dalit vote in a lot of states like Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab, etc. Now what is happening is that 50 years down the line, you are there trying to rake up the emergency. What happened after the emergency? Indira Gandhi revoked the emergency. She lost the election. After that, she came back with a resounding victory of 350
So you're basically
seats.
repeating what Ratnakar
After
Tripathi
that,
said.
congressmen down the line have apologized. No, this is the fact.
didn't I say
What
the
is
fact?
repeating or not repeating? Subrata is repeating whatever she has been saying about Rajnath Singh's mother, this, that. The fact is,
Rajnath
Prime
ji is not
Minister
in the
is
panel.
deeply rattled.
Just to remind you, he's
want
not
to
in the
change the
panel.
constitution. You want to bring in Manu Smriti in the syllabus of the undergrads in the law and jurisprudence. What are they trying
Coming,
to
Subhash.
do? They are trying to. They have lost the narrative, I think, and they are trying to clutch at straws
Right.
to find out what exactly they can do to bring themselves back on the rails. Prime Minister doesn't know what
Guru
what
Prakash
exactly
Paswan.
is the road ahead.
Renu
what he
Mittal
has
is
to
saying-
do, how he has to handle it.
And I
The point is
call
that-
her officially
the
pro-Congress
point
and
is
she
that
also has no
this government
restraint to it. She's
has
saying that the
lost-
BJP has lost the plot. Have you lost the plot?
its way.
She's saying that there is no need of this today.
They've
We are in
lost the plot.
2024.
50 years
There
down
is
the
no
line,
need of this today.
people
She's
are
saying there is
looking
no
for
need of
jobs.
this
They're
today.
looking for
And
a
she
better
says that somewhere or the
standard
other,
of living. He's
you
bringing
seem
in
to have.
Hindu, Muslim.
Ratnakar
He's trying
Tripathi
to
is
bring in
saying that
constitution.
you are trying to
He's trying
regain
bring
those
in
lost 63
emergency.
seats.
Fine. It
She's
was
saying that you
done,
have lost the
over
plot.
and done with. It's
But
been
I'll just say,
apologized for.
but I'll just say one thing before I'm coming to Guru Prakash Paswan. I have a statement of Mallikarjun Kharge today.
Yeah.
I'm sure you would listen to this, Ms. Renu Mittal and Ratnakar Tripathi. Before you answer to Renu Mittal and Ratnakar Tripathi, both Guru Prakash Paswan, Mallikarjun Kharge, the so-called president, national president of the Congress party, calls this insult of Ambedkarji. Says Congress President Mallikarjun, and I quote, "In the last 10 years, your government has celebrated Constitution Murder Day every day. BJP RSS wants to abolish the Constitution and implement Manu Smriti." So basically what Renu Mittal was just saying, you know what I mean? So that the rights of Dalits. So it's a,
That's what happened yesterday.
yeah, because that's the whole typo which has gone to everyone.
What happened.
So
everybody's
are you
stating
understanding
facts.
the narrative is they are trying to
No,
build
it's
Guru
not.
Prakash
This is
Paswan?
what
Guru
the
Prakash
BJP
Paswan is
is
countering.
doing. No,
Guru Prakash
I'm
Paswan is
sorry.
countering. Guru Prakash Paswan. Miss
Didn't
Renu
the
Mittal,
Vice
please hold on.
Chancellor- didn't
Ravi
the Vice
Srivastava, I'm coming to
Chancellor
you.
have to come
Aishwarya.
Ravi
out
Srivastava, you are
and
not
say
even
that
on
they
air.
are
Hold
not
on.
going to do it?
Yeah.
Why?
Guru Prakash Paswan. Guru Prakash
Vice
Paswan.
Chancellor of Delhi University. had to do it.
Guruji, yeah, hold on.
Aishwarya ji, a very simple point. A very simple point. I request all the panelists to go through this book. I don't know what locus standi or what moral authority today the Congress leadership has to take even the name of Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Baba Saheb Ambedkar passes away in 1956. He gets Bharat Ratna 40 years after his death. Four
burned the
decades after the
Manu
death of Baba
Smriti,
Saheb
didn't he?
Ambedkar, he gets a Bharat
He
Ratna,
burned the
topmost
Manu
civilian
Smriti.
honor.
This
And
government
that
has
too
to
by a
bring that.
non-Congress government. A non-Congress government. कांग्रेस पार्टी ने बाबा साहेब के खिलाफ चुनाव में कैंपेन किया. कांग्रेस पार्टी ने बाबा साहेब अंबेडकर को भारत रत्न से
Certainly
वंचित
so much
किया.
for Baba
कांग्रेस
Saheb.
पार्टी ने बाबा साहेब अंबेडकर को अपमानित किया. In this book, इंदिरा गांधी has said, बाबू जगजीवन राम पीएम नहीं बनने चाहिए, जीवन भर हटेंगे नहीं. This is your respect for Dalit community. आपने बाबा
That's
साहेब
right.
अंबेडकर को अपमानित किया. आपने बाबू जगजीवन राम को अपमानित किया.
रत्नाकर
आपने
त्रिपाठी,
सीताराम
don't
केसरी
smile.
को अपमानित किया. जो ओबीसी समाज से आते थे उनको कांग्रेस के दफ्तर में बाथरूम में बंद कर दिया गया.
Answer to
तो
that,
आप
रत्नाकर
अपमानित
त्रिपाठी.
करते हैं सीताराम येचुरी. आप सीताराम केसरी को अपमानित करें. आप बाबा साहब अंबेडकर को अपमानित
Don't
करें.
live
आप
so
बाबू
much in the
जगजीवन राम को
past.
अपमानित करें.
Come-
आज आपके पास कांग्रेस पार्टी
You do what
has
you
no
do in the
moral
past and then the
authority to
BJP
speak
says
on
don't go in the
Dalits.
past.
Is
Renuji,
gone.
this is very easy huh,
Past
for you.
is
But
gone.
answer
The-
specifically.
everything is
Subrashta,
about the
I'm coming to you.
past. Some
I
books
know
are
you
being
want to make
written
that
by
point.
don't
I'm
know
coming back
who,
to you. But Ratnakar
saying
Tripathi
what
answer to that.
nobody
Abbas Sadar,
knows.
I'm coming to you. Raviji, I'm coming to you. Hold on. But Ratnakar Tripathi specifically,
First of all-
point to point. Counter, if you have any counter, first of all, I don't think you do. But if you do, sir, you need to come out with those facts tonight. against
Aishwarya, first of
whatever
all,
Mr. Guru Prakash Paswan
I
has said.
just knew about your intent.
Point by point. No rhetoric, no
said-
Aishwarya.
No,
Aishwarya.
let me complete
No
that.
Aishwarya. Facts.
You said on the channel that so-called president of Congress.
Because
Then
no
you
one goes to
corrected
him. Everyone
But
goes to
this-
Rahul Gandhi.
listen,
Again,
what
that's your
Bihar was
problem.
saying about
You want
Khalid.
to create this narrative.
For a Dalit.
Listen, Mr.
You said so-called
Listen, Mr.
president.
Tripathi.
He's a so-called president.
Because your leaders don't go to him.
No.
Your leaders go to
No.
Priyanka Vadra. Your
will
leaders
say whatever
prefer
you
to
want.
go to Robert Vadra.
If somebody goes-
Your
if
leaders
somebody doesn't go
on
to
record,
you, that-
on camera, prefer to
that
go
person is not
to
with you
Robert
or you are
Vadra
not an
and
actor.
not to Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge.
I strongly object.
वो
you
नेता
cannot
जड़ से
say
उठे
so.
हैं. You don't
You
go
cannot
to
say
him.
so.
Your leaders don't go to him.
This is very
You
wrong.
don't respect
No,
your
this is
national
very wrong.
president.
I know, I strongly
Your
object.
leader, you can object, but reality will not change.
BJP. You
Mr.
are
Ratnakar
not with the
Tripathi.
BJP. You are with the BJP.
Your leaders, your party leaders prefer Robert Vadra over Mallikarjun Kharge, and that's my problem. Mallikarjun Kharge is a leader जो जड़ से उठे हुए हैं.
Mallikarjun Kharge
Now,
is the president of
now,
the Indian
get
Congress.
over this and counter
You
Paswan.
cannot undermine
Counter
that.
Paswanji.
You are
Counter
insulting
his
the Dalit
facts.
on that channel.
Counter his facts. Counter his
You are saying
facts.
he's not the president.
Counter Guru Prakash Paswan's
He is
facts.
the elected president.
Counter
So
Guru
what
Prakash
president?
Paswan's facts.
Do you have the guts to
Counter
say
Guru Prakash
that
Paswan's
so-called
facts.
Prime Minister?
Counter Guru
So
Prakash
what
Paswan's
minister?
facts. Counter Guru Prakash Paswan's facts. If you can today,
I am
Ratnakar
countering.
Tripathi. I'm
But I have a
challenging you.
strong objection.
I'm challenging you. Counter his facts. If you
Why
can.
do you say so?
Counter
Why
his
did
facts.
you say at that time
Can you
so-called
counter his
president
facts?
of BJP, JP Nadda?
Can you counter his facts or no? Can you
No,
counter
I'm-
one point
Oh,
what Mr. Guru Prakash
Aishwarya
Paswan has made or not?
Kapoorji, with all due respect to you, you did a very bad thing.
Okay, you
He is the
find
president of my organization, and you said so-called.
Then
you
tell your
insulted
leaders
only
to
from the
respect
channel.
him.
Now let me tell you,
जड़ से उठे
They
नेता
are
की
very desperate.
इज्जत करना
they
सीखिए.
are very desperate for a comeback.
मल्लिकार्जुन
And
खड़गे
the way
जमीन
they
से
are
उठे
showing
हुए
the book,
हैं. Your leaders don't
They are
respect.
setting wrong narratives. They are not coming back. Everybody who respects Samvidhan knows that what BJP is doing with Samvidhan, what BJP did with Samvidhan, and what BJP will do with Samvidhan. Let me tell you very clearly. In Banaras University, the Vice Chancellor rejected the idea of a tricolor in the campus, a big tricolor. This is what the BJP is doing. BJP appointed the Vice Chancellor in Banaras University, and he said, we are not going to furl a big flag on a mount in the campus. This is what BJP want to do.
Guru Prakash Paswan, will you counter that? Or do you have anything to say on it?
Please check with the facts.
No, you see.
These are on the airport, the flags are on the airport, the flags are on the
This is-
station, the
अरे
flags
भैया,
on the
रत्नाकर जी-
parliament. It's in the parliament,
रत्नाकर
but
जी-
not in Banaras.
अरे उनका
रत्नाकर जी,
दुखती
आप
रख
सुन
पे हाथ
लीजिए
रख
भैया।
दिया इसलिए उनको
अरे
दिक्कत हो रहा है.
आप अरे
अरे आपको दर्द हो रहा
Now
है
relax.
संविधान पे
Subhash
चर्चा
Lord,
करते हैं तो
you are
थोड़ा
very
संवैधानिक आदर्शों का
Hold
परिचय
on, Mr.
दीजिए।
Tripathi now. Hold on, control.
संविधान पे चर्चा कर रहे हैं तो संवैधानिक आदर्शों का परिचय दीजिए।
आप किसको बता रहे हैं?
संवैधानिक संस्कारों का परिचय दीजिए। संविधान बोलने के लिए नहीं है, व्यवहार में दिखना चाहिए आपके, और आपके
Hold on,
व्यवहार में संविधान नहीं दिखता है।
Hold on,
आपके बिहेवियर में
Hold
संविधान
on,
नहीं दिखता है, त्रिपाठी जी।
control.
आपके संवैधानिक आदर्श का परिचय यह है कि ऐश्वर्य कपूर जब चालू करते हैं तो हम तय नहीं कर पाते हैं कि बीजेपी का प्रवक्ता बोल रहा है कि एंकर बोल रहा है।
अच्छा इमरजेंसी
हाँ,
आप लगाओ.
अच्छा नहीं।
सवाल हम पे खड़ा
हाँ।
करो, कर दो. You can do it as long as you want, but that's not going to help you. That's not going to help you. As it didn't help Renu ji. For the last 40 years, it's not helped her. So you need to understand. You need to understand, Mr. Tripathi. The day you start respecting your own party president, you will stop raising these questions. It's very easy for you. You can attack the messenger. Now relax. Relax. You can attack the messenger as much as you want. Now let's get back on the debate. Ratnakar Tripathi, that's the problem I have with you in principle. Even on Hindi. You derail the debate. Don't do that. Thank you. Guru Prakash Paswan. Quick counter.
25th June.
Ravi Srivastava, I'm coming to you in 30 seconds. Ratnakar Tripathi, hold on now. Thank you.
रत्नाकर जी,
Only
Ratnakar Tripathi, calm down.
ये रत्नाकर जी,
Calm down.
Why did
Thank
you
you.
declare on 22nd
Calm
June?
down. Thank you. Have a glass of
आप
water.
जब पढ़ाने
Have a glass
लगे,
of
आपको
water.
लगा
Relax.
क्या हुआ
Tripathi ji, relax कीजिए.
मनाएं।
अरे
Relax.
मनाओ।
Thank you. Guru Prakash Paswan. Thank you.
मनाओ।
Guru Prakash Paswan.
जनता बेवकूफ थोड़ी है।
गुरुप्रकाश
रत्नाकर जी, आज हम लोगों
अगली बार आपका ठीक से
रत्नाकर
दिवस
जी,
नहीं-
I'll put your finger down now, Tripathi ji. Don't do this now. Thank you. Thank you. गुरुप्रकाश पासवान, क्विक काउंटर।
आज रत्नाकर जी हमें अनुराग भदौरिया जी को मिस नहीं होने दे रहे हैं। रत्नाकर जी आज अनुराग भदौरिया जी का रोल प्ले करने आए हैं।
क्योंकि आपने मुझे
नहीं, whenever you speak of constitution, sir, अनुराग भदौरिया मत बनिए भैया, अनुराग भदौरिया जी मत बनिए रत्नाकर जी।
आप जब बोलेंगे
अनुराग भदौरिया जी एक पर्याप्त, दो नहीं चाहिए।
कर लेते।
सुन लीजिए,
Okay, now relax.
आप लगातार बोल रहे हैं।
रत्नाकर त्रिपाठी, please, calm down.
बर्बाद होगा।
Calm down. Thank you.
ये ना
Thank you. Okay. Rत्नाकर Tripathi for next 30 seconds. Thank you, Aditi. Now, thank you. Ravi Srivastava,
आप जो गलतियां कर रहे हैं
Subhrashtra.
ना,
Thank you, Ratnakar Tripathi. You need a breather. Ratnakar Tripathi, you need a breather. I'm giving you a breather on air. Now, please relax. Thank you. Ravi Srivastava, Subhrashtra, Guru Prakash Paswan. Ravi ji, boliye. Carry on, Ravi ji. Ravi ji, your point of view. Thank you, Ravi ji.
मुझे लगता है सीपीसी क्या जो
Ravi Srivastava. Ravi Srivastava, thank you.
President of the Congress, I say the so-called cabinet of Mr. Modi, where all incompetent ministers don't do anything and only Mr. Modi does everything. You want facts? Who did the demonetization? Who brought the black farmers 3 bills? It's all Mr. Modi, and his entire cabinet is incompetent. And you want to say there is an undeclared emergency? You wanted facts. I will give you the fact.
Please give
the
me.
fact was the BJP stooge Anil Masih declared 8 votes invalid for a simple election of the Chandigarh mayor. Can you know? Are you aware of it? The Honorable
Yes.
Supreme Court said
Yes.
that you have murdered the democracy. The democracy was murdered.
the Supreme
when
Court
the
came
two
down
chief
hard.
ministers were jailed on the fake charges. And one is still rotting over there despite a bail from Honorable Supreme Court. You will never talk about the issues. You will never talk about the unemployment. 1,000 people assembling in Gujarat for 10 vacancies of a private company. Can you beat it how desperate of the youth of this country is? And they want to celebrate 49 years before what happened in the emergency, for which Congress apologized number of times. And our Honorable Prime Minister then, Indira Ji, was brought back with a thumping majority. You want to celebrate, you celebrate Godhra Hatya Diwas. Don't you do it? You
What are you
celebrate the
saying?
minority
Subhrashtra,
who were butchered.
what is he saying?
1,500 of.
Subhrashtra, what is he saying?
Aishwarya,
Are you aware of it?
Ravi ji, okay, you made your point now. Calm
I
down.
want to
I
debate
completely
this.
disagree. But now you need to calm down, Ravi Srivastava. Ravi Srivastava, now you need to calm down.
understand what's going on in this country. There is no celebration of Samvidhan Hatya.
Yes.
He is going to hyperventilate. I'm not responsible for his blood pressure rising.
No, I know, relax.
What about
Ravi ji, please have a glass of water. Renu Mittal, now you don't start.
What happened?
Calm down, Renu. Renu ji, now you at least.
Should we
Of all.
start? Should we celebrate Godse? Should we celebrate?
Who is
Godse?
celebrating?
Please answer.
What are you guys
You are
saying?
such a senior journalist.
What are you people saying?
celebrate
Yes.
Samvidhan?
Subhrashtra, please tell her. Subhrashtra, please tell her. Subhrashtra, please tell Renu Mittal. Home versus home. Subhrashtra, Renu Mittal, all right. Thank you very much. Thank you. Hold on, Ravi Srivastava, hold on. Everyone wants to speak together. Guru Prakash Paswan, are you seeing? What is happening? Subhrashtra and Renu Mittal. Subhrashtra, please tell her. No one is celebrating. Subhrashtra, please guide her.
It is idiotic. It is
No, this is a
idiotic
celebration.
on anybody's
This
part
is a celebration
to
of
say
what
that
went
there is
wrong.
a celebration
You want to rake it up again and again and again.
Samvidhan Hatya Divas.
Because the party is
Renuji,
totally
please don't
rattled.
hyperventilate.
The Prime Minister doesn't
Please
know
do
what
not
to do.
hyperventilate. If you call this a celebration,
No,
then you
I'm
must
not
call Muharram a celebration,
hyperventilating
which it is
because
not.
you are going on repeating the same thing that you said in all the time about Rajnath Singh Ji's mother is very
Renuji,
sad
you
what
are
happened.
hallucinating, and
But we
so
are
is the
sorry
Aam
for
Aadmi
it.
Party
But
supporter.
what beyond that?
Both of you are hallucinating.
No,
Please
no, no,
understand.
hyperventilating
This person is
you
not
are
in the
all
show.
doing regarding the
events
emergency.
That I recounted. Renuji, please very calmly let me explain it to you. Rajnath
No.
Ji is not a part of this show. He never said
Yeah,
that.
please
I
explain.
mentioned
Please
it.
explain.
I mentioned it because stories like these need to be underscored. Youngsters like us need to know what a real emergency was like. And we also need to see through the farce of words.
Youngsters
of
want to
reason,
good
of
life.
conversations
They
like
want
we're trying to have in
jobs.
this country
They
around
want a good
emergency.
standard of living.
Do not romanticize. No, do not.
They don't want to
romanticize
live in
the struggle of
your
God's
so-called
standards. Tell me who-
recreation of
एक
the
second,
emergency.
रेणु जी, आप तो पत्रकार रही हैं, आप आराम से बात कीजिए। आप बताइए, जॉर्ज फर्नांडिस के कद का कौन सा नेता लगता है
मैं तो
आपको
आराम से
पूरे
ही बात कर
गठबंधन
रही
में,
हूँ।
इंडी गठबंधन में?
मैं तो आपको बता रही हूँ कि आप लोग क्या कर रहे हैं।
मैं नहीं
मैं
हूँ
तो
इस
बिल्कुल
सत्ता
आराम
पक्ष
से
में,
बात
मैं
कर रही
नहीं
हूँ।
हूँ रेणु जी। मेरे और आपके जैसे लोग किसी पक्ष में नहीं है.
Oh, I see. Maybe I'm sorry. I was mistaken. Maybe when you talk, I'm sorry.
I'm being very frank
If
about
you are
it.
rational
You
and
might
you are
have, so which
just
is why
and
you're
you're
so
fair,
passionately
I wouldn't
defending
have
the
to say
independence.
this. You only
No, this
go on
is
one side of the
idiotic to
spectrum.
call it a
You have to
celebration.
look at the
Aishwarya, let us
middle
understand
road.
that
No, it's very clear, and that's why I'm saying,
there are events.
Ravi Srivastava,
Holocaust happened in
Renu
Germany.
Mittal, you really need to understand.
Even Germans
Gandhi.
remember, they commemorate that day not as a celebration,
Yes,
but as a
not as a
reminder
celebration.
that we will never allow that
We
to
will
happen
never let
again
this
in
happen
Germany.
again. Yes, Subrashta.
Exactly.
And Guru Prakash Paswan, I want
Even
you to come
in
in.
Australia,
They need to understand.
Every time there is a constitutional
The
procedure
emergency
in
lasted, Guru
Australia,
Prakash Paswan.
Every time there is a serious conversation,
That's right,
conversation
Subrashta.
on any issue in Australia.
That's right. And I'm coming
people-
for an ending comments to everyone. Thank you.
Yeah,
Subrashta.
Constitution
Ratnakar
was
Tripathi.
killed.
Hold on, Ravi
Constitution was
Srivastava.
killed
Raviji,
when
this problem of
150
speaking the minute you come
MPs
on
were
air
thrown out
was
of
wrong.
Parliament.
Thank you very
And
much.
The bills were passed.
I want to tell you
And the
tonight,
bills were passed.
the emergency
That
lasted
Constitution
for
was
21
killed.
months and was revoked
Constitution was rather
on
killed,
21st
not
March
killed.
1977, Ratnakar Tripathi, if you might have forgotten. The electricity to all major newspapers was cut and the political opposition was arrested, Mr. Ratnakar Tripathi. Organizations like the RSS, with some political parties were banned, Mr. Ratnakar Tripathi. Cases like the Baroda dynamite case and the Rajan case became exceptional examples of atrocities committed against civilians. Mr. Ratnakar Tripathi, elections for the parliament and state governments were postponed. Mr. Ratnakar Tripathi, and in 1960, 76, 77, the program led to 8.3 million.
The courts
8.3 million sterilizations. Ratnakar Tripathi, for you. These are facts. These are facts which your party cannot run away from. Now calm down. Now calm down. Guru Prakash Paswan. Things need to be put in perspective. Things need to be put in perspective. Mr. Ratnakar Tripathi, calm down. Yes, I know what Mr. Hegde said. Now calm down. I also know what the Prime Minister said. Now calm down, Mr. Tripathi. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Calm down. Thank you. Guru Prakash Paswan. Guru Prakash Paswan of the BJP. The opposition is saying, Guru Prakash Paswan, what is the need? Let me, Mr. Ratnakar Tripathi, your audio has been put down. Thank you very much. Aditi, if you can just remove him. Thank you. Mr. Guru Prakash Paswan, your audio is down now, Mr. Tripathi. Thank you. Guru Prakash Paswan, in one word, thank you, Mr. Tripathi. Hold on for 30 seconds. Guru Prakash Paswan, what the opposition is saying, that what is the need of this today? They are saying that the people of this country, the youth wants job, as Renu Mittal said. Congress is saying you deliberately want to stick to this because you want to once again regain on the lost ground. If you want to clarify in it, then what is the exact need to do it now? You could have done it in 2014. You could have done it in 19. You are doing it now. Why? That's what the opposition is saying. Mr. Paswan.
Aishwarya, first and foremost, let me make this very clear. After 1960, this is for the first time a government has come consecutively up for the third time in power.
Yes.
I think it's after 1962 happening for the first time. So I think
Very good,
99
very
out of 543 and
Then why all this
248 out of
panic?
543. Who is the winner? That is very clear.
Why
In
this panic?
book, it has been clearly written. Sanjay
Why
Gandhi calls
this-
Mr. I.K.
this
Gujral.
attempt
संजय
to
गांधी
rake up
I.K.
the
गुजराल को
past
बुला के
again and
डांटते
again?
हैं कि आपकी हिम्मत कैसी हुई? आपने ऑल इंडिया रेडियो में इंदिरा गांधी जी को कवर नहीं किया था. So that level of feudalism, that level of entitlement must never enter India. Congress party represents entitlement. Congress party represents feudalism. Congress party cannot accept the fact that for the first time एक आदिवासी की बेटी राष्ट्रपति बनती है. Congress party cannot accept एक अति पिछड़ी जाति का व्यक्ति प्रधानमंत्री बनता है. This is the sense of feudalism.
This has become very
Emergency
boring
was
now.
an extension of the sense of feudalism of the Congress party, and that feudalism, that entitlement will never be repeated in our lifetime. Never ever. And the Congress party and its sycophants must listen to it.
I hope not. I hope not.
Okay, okay. Ravi Srivastava.
So
Ravi
much
Srivastava.
Modi ji.
Ravi Srivastava.
Listen to
Ending comments for all. Ravi Srivastava. 45 seconds each.
You are
Coming in.
repeating it. Undeclared emergency. You are taking away the rights of the people. You are taking the rights of the
अरे
press,
what sort
freedom,
of undeclared
freedom
emergency
of the
भाई?
press.
आप
You are
यहाँ
taking
बैठ
away
करके
the right
प्रधानमंत्री
of-
जी को गाली देते हैं,
rights of the
आप यहाँ
humans.
बैठ करके प्रधानमंत्री जी को
You have
गाली
put the
देते हैं और
opposition in
अनडिक्लेयर्ड
jail.
इमरजेंसी की बात करते
You
हैं।
have used your
हिपोक्रेसी
two
आपकी,
agencies,
हिपोक्रेसी
the ED
आपकी,
and CBI,
यहाँ बैठ करके
and you
पानी
take
पी करके
false
प्रधानमंत्री जी को
cases
गाली
against
देते
the
हो
people to
और
put
कहते हो
them in
अनडिक्लेयर्ड
jail.
इमरजेंसी है।
You are sending
किस बात की
people to
अनडिक्लेयर्ड
jail
इमरजेंसी
left, right,
है?
and
शांत
center.
रहिए आप
What are you
लोग। किस
doing?
बात की अनडिक्लेयर्ड
You have-
इमरजेंसी है?
you have
24
killed
घंटे
the-
प्रधानमंत्री
you
जी
have
के लिए आप
killed
शब्दों
the
का उपयोग करते हो
completely.
और कहते हो अनडिक्लेयर्ड
Your
इमरजेंसी है।
people were bent upon
क्या अनडिक्लेयर्ड इमरजेंसी है भाई रवि जी?
अब
कुछ भी
की
अनावश्यक बात
बार
करते हैं।
400 पार,
अनडिक्लेयर्ड इमरजेंसी
400
आपके आम आदमी
इसलिए
पार्टी में है कि एक ही व्यक्ति अध्यक्ष रहेगा। अरविंद केजरीवाल जेल में रहेंगे तो सीएम रहेंगे। अनडिक्लेयर्ड इमरजेंसी
Oh, that's the
आम
point.
आदमी पार्टी,
That's
आम
the
आदमी
point.
पार्टी में अनडिक्लेयर्ड
The only chief minister in the history after J.J. Lalitha, I think so. She was briefly there.
They have said it.
And she
that
was the acting chief
emergencies
minister
are
also.
misused,
Ratnakar
abused,
Tripathi, you can
and
shout.
used.
Ravi Srivastava never listens. So that's okay. Once he begins, it's only a one-way communication with him.
No,
Ratnakar Tripathi, hold on.
very
I'll
sad
come to
that you have
you.
torn
Mr.
down.
Tripathi, I'll come to you. Don't make it a one-man show. You also... Guru Prakash Paswan caught you right there. You've got this Anurag Badoria syndrome. Please don't get into it, sir. It's a request.
So
Thank you.
What
Thank
was
you.
Guru Prasad
Thank you.
Paswan doing this time with Ravi
Thank
Kumar?
you.
Ravi
Abbas
Kumar.
Haider. Abbas Haider.
He's
Out of
the
everyone on the
ambassador
panel.
of BJP.
Abbas
And
Haider,
worst person.
Abbas Haider, out of
Anurag
everyone,
Badoria is an
out of
intelligent
everyone in the
person.
panel,
He speaks
you
what
are
he
the
wants
one
to speak.
representing
Not
Netaji's
like
party.
Prasad Paswan.
Netaji was put behind bars. You should have come out and said that yes, emergency cannot under any circumstance. You heard Renu Mittal stating, you heard Ratnakar Tripathi stating, no, एक बार हारे, उसके बाद तो इतने सीट से वापस आ गए. So what they were saying, it's okay.
I got your
Let it
question.
be. At least you should have come out and said, no, we are not going to accept this. Abbas.
Aishwarya, during 21 months of emergency, Netaji was behind bar for 19 months.
Yes.
Nobody has said that emergency was a wrong decision, including the leaders from the Congress party. This is not a matter of debate. That emergency was a right decision or wrong decision. Emergency was a very unfortunate wrong decision. Everybody has said that. Even the leaders of the Congress party, top leaders, including Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, even Indira Gandhi has, she has regretted for taking this decision. Second thing, the most important thing, see, on the first day of the 18th Lok Sabha, the emergency issue it all came up because Bharatiya Janata Party does not have anything to show of its own. During their 1 month of the third tenure, what country has seen paper leak, country has seen collapsing of bridges, falling off the roofs at the airports, and 3 or 4 terrorist attacks. This is what Bharatiya Janata Party has given past 1 month. So they have nothing to say, nothing to tell the nation. Only thing they have got here is they will talk about past. Arey bhai, we are living
Coming,
in
Guru.
21st century. We are in 2024. We want future of our youth.
Guru Prakash Paswan, counter to that. Guru Prakash Paswan. They are saying you are trying to look,
Baji.
you are trying to change the game. That is what they say.
Mr. Paswan, I
Change the
didn't interrupt
issues.
anyone. I didn't interrupt anyone. One
नहीं,
last point.
देखिए,
Okay, one last point to Abbas.
Abbas
One last point to Abbas. Guru, hold on.
Party.
Guruji, hold on. Yeah,
I know,
Abbas.
ठीक है. We all know what has happened in 1975 and between 77. We all know about that. We are in 2024, so you should tell us about your plan for the future. You are in power right now. You don't have anything to say.
Talk about future, not the past. Guru,
What
talk about future, not the past. Guru.
विकसित भारत by 2000 विकसित भारत by 2047
Yes, see,
ending of
Ravi,
financial
hold on.
eligibility, more than 50 crore bank
Abbas, not
account,
now.
26 crore people out
Abbas, not now.
financial poverty. अब सुनिए, गरीबी कम हुई, बेरोजगारी कम हुई, विकसित भारत का संकल्प हम देख रहे हैं 2047 तक विकसित भारत बनेगा. But the point is, the fact of the matter is, आप मुलायम सिंह यादव जी की पार्टी में हैं और आप कांग्रेस की गोद में बैठ जाते हैं. उसी कांग्रेस की गोद में बैठ जाते हैं जिसने आपातकाल घोषित किया. इससे बड़ा अन्याय और अत्याचार मुलायम सिंह जी के विरासत के साथ और कुछ
हो नहीं सकता
है.
रेणु
वो तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी से
Renu Mittal, ending comment. Okay, Guru, briefly. Renu, Abbas, don't overdo yourself. Thank you. Renu Mittal, ending comment. Abbas, please don't overdo.
BJP has no concern for the future. They have given an affidavit in the Supreme Court saying
Abbas.
that nothing happened.
2047,
No
madam.
changes took place. Nothing even a
2047.
Guruji, please let her.
आप लिख लीजिए.
Mr. Paswan, let us speak.
नोट कर लीजिए.
One by one.
will not be.
Mr. Paswan, please.
She's shouting every time.
mind the
I know,
BJP
but you don't
does
follow.
not
Thank
want
you.
to
वो
admit
दूसरे
to
पे
its own
चिल्लाती है,
mistakes.
ऐश्वर्या
Relax.
कुमार
Go and
The heart
transaction
is
of
still
Barbara
the
Bhadolia.
nation.
Ratnakar.
They went wrong. The Prime Minister is a
And
deeply
Abhi,
rattled.
Ratnakar ji, please.
Doesn't know which way to go, how to control.
Ratnakar ji, relax. No,
Renu
no.
Mittal and Ravi Srivastava.
What about and
What
what
do you
about
say?
the students? They have a future or don't they have a future?
Yes,
Or are they only
and everyone
talking
should have a
about
bright
Hindu,
future.
Muslim and emergency. How does it help anybody?
Ratnakar
The point
Tripathi. Okay,
is
Renu.
that you have to
Okay, Renu ji.
think of
Subrashtra.
your children,
Subrashtra.
of your future.
Subrashtra.
You can't get
Subrashtra.
academics in the
Subrashtra.
Supreme Court
Okay, Renu
saying
ji.
that, no, nothing has happened.
Okay, Renu
Nobody
Mittal.
killed Jessica.
Okay, ma'am.
That's what
Okay.
you're doing now.
Abbas, again, calm down. Subrashtra. Abbas, fade it down. Abbas, calm down. Abbas, Haider. Again. Don't overdo. Subrashtra.
I asked a question, Aishwarya, but I don't think anybody on the other side has bothered to respond to it. I asked which political leader in the Indi Gathbandhan today has the caliber of Mr. George Fernandes? Because those were the kind of leaders, and there was a certain kind of incarceration of those leaders when the Congress party declared emergency.
Who in the BJP
on
has got the
25th.
caliber of Lal Bahadur Shastri? You respond to me now. Who has the caliber of Lal Bahadur Shastri in BJP?
No
Let
one.
me respond me now.
No one.
Who has the
Okay, let
caliber
me
of Shri
let me
Atal Bihari
satiate your
Vajpayee
intellectual
in
curiosity by
Bharatiya Janata
saying
Party?
no
You
one.
respond me
Let
now.
me also then respond to you by saying
also respond to me.
because there is
Ravi
no
Srivastava,
one.
I've given you
They
time.
want to remind themselves not to repeat the mistakes.
Okay,
अरे
point
बाबा,
taken.
थोड़ा तो
I want Atal ji
मैं क्या बोलूं इनकी उम्र की वजह से मैं बोल नहीं पाती हूँ
I understand, Subrashtra, but that's the problem. That's the problem.
उन्होंने बोला मैं रिस्पॉन्ड कर रही हूँ
Yes.
तो सुनना
No, Ravi,
नहीं है।
calm down.
सवाल क्यों पूछते हो
सवाल
भाई
का सवाल है
क्यों
भाई,
पूछते
क्या
हो सवाल
प्रॉब्लम है? आप सवाल पूछते हो, अब भी सवाल पूछ रहे हैं।
अरे जवाब दिया आपको ना,
अटॉर्नी
relax.
जनरल जो है वो लाल बहादुर शास्त्री के कैलिबर का है क्या?
She just replied back to you. You don't listen.
I replied. I
Fair
said
enough, thank
no
you.
one.
Yes.
Ravi ji, I replied.
Point taken,
Let me
Subhash.
repeat.
ठीक है।
I
अरे वो
said
टेनी
no
का-
one,
टेनी
and
Thank
which
you.
is
आप
why
मंत्री बन के
it's a very
बैठा रहा,
pragmatic decision
जिसने
on part of the
आप
BJP
लोगों को-
Ravi Srivastava, fair enough.
to declare संविधान
मोदी
हत्या
बैठा-
दिवस so that they don't repeat the mistake. Simple.
Yes, that's right.
आपकी बात
Ratnakar
मानती हूँ
Tripathi.
मैं,
Point taken,
कोई नहीं है।
Subrashtra, point taken. Ratnakar Tripathi, 30 seconds flat. 30, not 31, Ratnakar Tripathi. Thank you, Mr. Tripathi.
Subrashtra.
Yes.
Name one prime minister who gets journalists kicked out from the jobs by openly saying and openly indicating that get them out of the jobs. Name one prime minister who has this caliber. Can't you say so? This is what the emergency, where the emergency implies. You go to one place and say, "Inko naukri se nikalo." You don't issue. For me, Indira Gandhi was courageous enough to issue an order of emergency. Not like
Since you asked me a
coward
question, Aishwarya, you asked me a question. Allow me to
who
respond.
impose an emergency in the whole country, but don't issue a notification.
Okay, Ratnakar Tripathi, now don't
I'm
repeat.
very happy
10
that-
second answer. 10 second answer, Subrashtra. And then I'm taking a final answer from Guru. 10
Yes.
10 second answer.
Yes.
Ratnakar, now calm down.
So,
Mr. Tripathi,
राहुल
please.
जी,
Thank you. Mr.
इंदिरा
Tripathi.
गांधी जी ने न केवल
Mr. Tripathi,
पत्रकारों
please.
को बल्कि प्रेसों को
Not
बंद
Mr.
करा
Prime
दिया।
Minister.
आपको शायद याद नहीं है, उम्र में
Okay.
और एक्सपीरियंस में आप काफी ज्यादा उच्च पोजीशन पर हैं पॉलिटिक्स में। आप याद कीजिए, उन्होंने सिर्फ पत्रकारों को इनकार्सरेट नहीं किया था, प्रेस की प्रेस बंद हो गई थी। इंडियन
Yes.
एक्सप्रेस का इतिहास उठाकर
That's the-
देखिए। हुआ था ना?
That's the point.
आपने जो
Okay,
सवाल
let
पूछा उसका मैंने जवाब दिया।
Okay. Guru Prakash Paswan. Ending comments, Guru.
इसीलिए
Ending comments, Guru Prakash Paswan. Guru Prakash
let him
Paswan.
issue a notification of-
Okay, Ratnakar Tripathi, this habit of
Why you
repeating
so
yourself
coward?
is bad, sir.
वो
It's just
मेरे
bad.
खिलाफ बोलेगा, उस पत्रकार
It's just
नहीं
bad.
जाएगा।
Thank you.
Let him write down.
Guru Prakash Paswan. 45 seconds flat. Answer to all. Mr. Paswan.
No, it's very interesting. Aishwarya, it's very interesting to see the desperation of the Congress sycophants tonight. आज बहुत ही विचित्र है, कांग्रेस पार्टी के समर्थकों को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है क्या व्यवहार करना है। संविधान की हत्या करने वाले, संविधान के आदर्शों की हत्या करने वाले, 70 लाख से अधिक लोगों की नसबंदी करने वाले, झुग्गी झोपड़ियों को तोड़ने वाले, शहर के शहर तबाह करने वाले आज संविधान पे ज्ञान दे रहे हैं। आई हैव अ वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन टू आस्क मिस्टर रत्नाकर त्रिपाठी, मैडम रेनू मित्तल, हाउ मेनी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट्स आर देयर? संविधान में संशोधन कितने जरा बताइए। आप नहीं बता पाएंगे क्योंकि जानकारी का अभाव है आपको। संविधान में संशोधन कितने जरा बताइए, आप नहीं बता पाएंगे बिकॉज देयर इज लैक ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन, लैक ऑफ सेंसिटिविटी ऑन योर पार्ट। दिस इज द ट्रू कांग्रेसी कल्चर। ये
I'll only say one
कांग्रेसी
thing.
कल्चर है।
Okay.
ये वास्तविक कांग्रेसी कल्चर है, सामंतवादी है, अहंकारी है, फ्यूडलिस्टिक है। दिस इज द ट्रू बिहेवियर ऑफ द कांग्रेस पार्टी एंड टुनाइट दिस इज अ नेकेड डिस्प्ले ऑफ कांग्रेस संस्कार। ये कांग्रेस के संस्कारों का परिचय दिया। मैं आपका आभारी हूं ऐश्वर्या।
I'll only say one thing. Mr. Ratnakar Tripathi.
से बोल रहा है
रत्नाकर जी, रत्नाकर त्रिपाठी, आपको समझना चाहिए गलत गलत होता है और ये गणित नहीं। This is not maths. Minus minus don't make sense. Understand this. What was wrong is wrong. Mr. Tripathi, you can say Telugu Desham, you can say this, you can say that. But reality is, for 21 months, Mr. Tripathi, this country was put on tender hooks. You will continue speaking, but the reality is, you are still on 99. This problem is that you psychologically giving this feedback that no, this is not LOP. And I am saying this, Guru Prakash Paswan, they are deliberately saying, Rahul Gandhi feels that with 99, he's not LOP. He's the PM. I'm seriously telling you. Just see the way he walks. Just say the walk. He walks with 8 cameras. He wants to be the PM, but he's not. They are still at 99 and they need to realize it. An emergency was the single-handed, the biggest mistake of the Congress party. Thank you very much, viewers. That's the time I had. And on the other side, viewers, after Uttarakhand, demand for pan-India UCC rollout has grown louder. We say it's time for one law across Bharat. That's the debate at 9 p.m. with my colleague Abhishek Kapoor. Thank you very much, viewers.